So a lot of homeowners ask me, what's the best time to install windows? And the reality is it doesn't even remotely matter to me as a contractor or exterior design professional. So what really matters is what's convenient to you and what works within your budget. So some things you might want to consider is it's extremely hot outside. Do you want to open up all your windows? All right. It's extremely cold. Do you want to replace your windows and want cold air in? Another thing is, hey, my kid, it's summer break. My kids are gonna be home all day. A lot of people have to do stuff when their kids are in school because it's easier. They're not there all day. A lot of people think about, what about my pets? Is there a time where I know I'll have some help so I could take my pet somewhere else, first do windows while I go inside the house and then make them kind of nervous? Otherwise, it doesn't really matter from a window install perspective. We install windows year round, about 300 days a year we're installing some windows. So weather doesn't affect us. It's more about how does this project impact you, the homeowner, and what kind of things do you need to prepare for? The last thing I'll tell you is windows tend to always go up in price in July and January. And so if you're thinking about maximizing your return, or if you're thinking about maximizing price and making sure you're not overpaying, even if you want to install windows in March, you probably want to try to go to contract in November to save yourself some money, because if you call in January, everything's going to cost more money again.